What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my skincare routine. This was highly requested in one of my recent videos. I have been using this new skincare since the end of March, and I honestly feel like my skin has never looked better. I don't want to brag or anything, but I do feel like so even, the redness has died down, so supple and firm and hydrated. So I want to share with you what I've been using, and hopefully you guys can experience it for yourself. Next thing I want to say is that this is not sponsored. I am not getting paid to talk about this products, nor am I receiving any type of commission. If you guys choose to purchase the kit or the products yourself, I am just telling you what works. So the skincare I use is called Venus Skin. Essentially, it is a stem cell therapy type skincare that really uses growth factors and cytokines to repair and help the skin really look its best. I feel like your skin is constantly getting like micro injuries where, like, from the sun, from pollutants, toxins, probably what we do to the skin, whether it's like a procedure, if we're picking at it. And so it's always in a state of repair. I think the key is the growth factors and cytokines, because they kind of tell cells, the different cells, what to do, what to repair. I think cytokines is made up of like small like proteins that they tell cells what to do or what to repair. This is cell-free. I don't know if that means anything to you guys, but it doesn't have any type of DNA or RNA from plants or humans. I wanted to use something that I knew my body would just absorb and be like, okay, yeah, I know what to do with this type thing. And in this kit, the first or second ingredient is human bone marrow or stem cells. So you know that like the majority of what is in these products is what your body or what your skin needs. So I have been using this like, I think the end of March. I've been using it and to now. When I went to go get my facial at Laguna Aesthetics, I think they were sold out of the kit. I mean, that is how highly effective it is. And I didn't know anything about it until I got the most amazing facial there, which I will get all of the information for you and I'll put it below. This is what the kit looks like. I would suggest, if you want to purchase this, getting the kit, because you get 6 full-size products for $500. And I know like at first that sounds like a ton of money, but if you break it down per product, it's really not. It's like you can spend $500 on a face cream at like the department store. That's what it looks like. It comes with all of the things and you get it for $500, including the shipping. But if you purchase through Laguna Aesthetics, which I will put all of the information below, you purchase this $500, that's with shipping. It's a $750 value. I think the main thing that I have seen is how even, hydrated, supple, and tight my skin has been. I feel like my pores are less visible. They're less clogged for sure. And I also feel like my skin repairs itself better, whether it's from me doing a face peel out in the sun. I just feel like it doesn't have the effect that it normally does. Because usually if I do like a Obagi Blue Radiance peel, sometimes I feel like my skin is tight for days and that it's peeling. I don't get that anymore. I feel like my downtime is a lot less. I have a lot less downtime on certain things that I do from using the skincare. And I will say that this is good for all types of skin, whether you have sensitive, rosacea, acne, oily, dry. I mean, it's gonna speak to every different type of skin type. So the first thing is the Renewal Cleanser. This is the only product that does not have the stem cell or the human bone marrow in it, because you wash it off, which makes sense. So since you wash off your cleanser, it's not gonna have those key ingredients that you need, that your skin just wants to absorb. So it's the only product in here that doesn't contain these stem cells. And so it smells really great. It's very gentle. Use it morning and night. It lathers really well, so you don't need like a ton of product. The next two products go hand in hand. You have to use one and then also use the other. This is the Stem Cell Therapy Serum. This has the human bone marrow in it. It also has niacinamide in it, which helps moisturize and make the skin really supple and firm. It also has other properties in here that I can't like pronounce, but it also helps with stimulating collagen and hyaluronic acid. And then you want to use that in conjunction with the Stem Cell Therapy Accelerator. This helps to increase cell turnover. It also unclogs the pores, helps with cell turnover. I feel like I have been getting less blackheads and less clogged pores on my chin and my nose. When using this product, you have to use them together because that's where the magic happens. I would put this on first, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, and then put the accelerator on. Your skin, I mean, it's like immediate immediate after I use this process. I just feel like my skin looks so good. Love these two. Then you get an AM moisturizer and a PM. So the AM moisturizer has SPF 30 in it. It's very lightweight. It's not going to clog your pores, but it's very moisturizing, which is really nice. I use this every day and incredibly moisturizing, and also contains those stem cells that your skin literally just drinks up. And then the nighttime moisturizer, this is the Restorative Hydration PM. It has a natural plant ingredient that is 400 times more effective and moisturizing than hyaluronic acid. Barrier for the skin, so it's very moisturizing, but then it doesn't feel like it. So even if you have oily skin or if you suffer from breakouts, this is going to be something that is just gonna be a lifesaver. It's like a really great night cream as well. The last thing is a eye cream, which is the Eye Perfect. And this is like an anti-inflammatory. It helps with dark circles. It helps with wrinkles. It protects this delicate eye area really, really nicely. And it also kind of has, I don't want to say a plumping effect, but I do feel like when I put it on that my skin just feels really supple around here, and it doesn't clog the pores. You're not going to get those little like hard calcium buildups. I forget what they're called, but I sometimes get that from eye creams that are too heavy or that just don't absorb really well. Just put it around my eye and on my eyelid, and it's done wonders as well. So if you do have like specific questions, you can ask me, and I can ask my girl who does my facials at Laguna Aesthetics, or you can call them and they can like help you out. They're very nice. I will put the number below, but this is like kind of like my Oprah. This is the Oprah of skincare, and you can't get any better than this. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, like it, and I will see you guys next time.